Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make an intro for Valentine's Day. It is very easy and simple process to create intro. So let's start today's video. You can use images or videos to create this intro. First drop your image on track 1, set 10th frame as a start point. Then go to the image setting and increase the scale to 151. Then adjust the X and Y position. You can set subject towards right or left side, then on position and scale keyframe. Then at 4 seconds and 10th frame, change scale to 131 and adjust the Y position. So this is just a simple zoom out animation. Now duplicate it on above track, go to the color and change vibrance and saturation to 0 to convert image to black and white. Then at start keyframe, change scale to 304 and adjust the X and Y position to place the subject towards the right side. Now go to the mask and select circle mask, change mask height and adjust the X and Y position. Then increase the blur strength to 13. Then at the end keyframe, change scale to 267 and adjust the X and Y position. Now we have this simple animation. Then go to the titles and under Valentine's Day folder you will get some amazing titles specially designed for Valentine's Day with some free to use titles and some paid titles. Check out these amazing titles. Then drop the title of your choice on track 3 and make 13th frame as a start point of title. Click on advanced and give shadow to the title. Keep distance to 1 and blur to 1. Do the same with second text. Now to add transition for start and end, go to the transitions and under Valentine's Day folder you will get some free to use transitions and paid transitions. Look at these free transitions. Now apply romantic memory transition on track 2 and 1 image and change transition duration to 1 second. Now drop your video clip on track 1 and keep it for 3 seconds. Then go to the effects and under Valentine's Day folder you will get some free to use effects and overlays. Drop free Valentine's Day photo overlay on your video clip and you will get this amazing animation. Then drop your second footage and adjust the duration. And apply free Valentine photo overlay on it. Check out the amazing free effect and paid effect specially designed for Valentine's Day video. Now go to the transitions and use petal vibe transition and apply it on your video. And set duration to 1 second. Also apply it on title. Now go to the stickers and under Valentine's Day folder you will get Valentine's Day stickers. Some of them are free to use. Apply heart sticker and set opacity to 80%. And apply similar transition on start and end of the sticker. Now apply adjustment layer and do some color adjustment according to the requirement. Then go to the stock media and apply black color on track 6. Go to the mask and select circle mask, then invert it and set scale to 108 and increase the blur strength to create vignette effect. Finally apply cinema 21:9 black bar and use keyframes to create black bar opening effect. At start, set height to 1 and at the end of the transition, set height to -1. Now to add music to your video, use AI music generator to create royalty-free music and apply it on your video. Now let's render the project to see the final preview. That's simple to create intro for Valentine's Day in Filmora. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.